boy. Happy? Magkano ang bulaklak sa Pinas?
Ito, ninanakaw lang natin ito sa kapitbahay.
This is like combination of seafoods, combination of English food,
Veg also.
vegetables.
I think this is Asian.
Asian. And there is English. This is English. This is IKEA, man. Look, Nishan. Look. Nishan, come. Someone is there want to see. Super laki. And lahat ng hanapin mo. Appliances, any materials. This is the doon, maganda ko yun. Doon banda sa gilid. Napakalaki nung Diyos. This is for 3. It's not all about appliances. It's all about entertainment and so many things. So much more. So now, first destination is food court.
Okay na, kunin mo na. Ayaw ng gulay.
So yan guys, ito tayo sa famous na, look at that. Famous IKEA. Yan, so yan. Bumabalik tayo dito because this place is good for shopping and good for eating also. So yeah.
You know what is IKEA famous of? Apart from their appliances?
Okay.
Their breakfast talaga. But because it's already 12 in the afternoon, check the lunch na lang siguro.
So yan guys, ang famous daw dito yung breakfast. So tingnan natin yung food nila. Mura na, masarap pa at saka yan.
Let's use the elevator.
Napakaganda ng look at that.
Elevator, okay.
Napakaganda ng lugar. Look at that. Look the place. This is very beautiful. Look at that, the designs. Napakaganda nung design. Look at the structural design of this place. Yan, napakaganda yan. Look. Tignan mo yung mga flower, original flower to boy, hindi to plastic ah. This is not plastic guys. This is original. So yan, dito tayo, papunta tayo sa taas. Elevator nila. Look. Look the structural design of this place.
Partition na to eh.
What guys? Tell me guys.
Guys, I don't care anymore.
What is the reason why you come?
Guys, oh wait. First, let me tell you something. Guys, I don't care anymore. This will be my new house. Don't let.
What is the reason you come? Because of food or because of what?
Aesthetics, designs. Kuya, you know this elevator is bigger than the partition in the
Yeah. Look at the elevator. The elevator itself is too big, and you can put three single deck. 1, 2, 3. So, yan
This
guys.
is a studio.
Look at that. Napakaganda ng lugar guys. It's so beautiful. Look. Yan. IKEA. So yan guys, palagi tayong pumupunta sa lugar na to dahil nafe-feel natin yung yung ganda ng lugar and of course accessible siya. Yan. And si Madam, how are you Madam?
Gutom na ako. We
So,
came here for food.
you come here for food?
Yeah,
Not for
mamaya
anything?
na kami mag-ikot-ikot pagkain muna. Kasi hindi kami nag-agahan.
So yan guys, food daw muna. So yan. We are going up for the food. Look.
And you know this establishment, this what you call this one? Shopping whatever is very organized because in order for you to go inside of one place, you have to go in a proper manner.
Yeah.
Like food, after you eat, you will go direct for shopping.
Yeah. But people commonly think about IKEA is just for appliances or for something else. But IKEA,
It's a food.
it's you can come also and try their food. You can come and do some shopping also. So this is not all about appliances. It's all about entertainment and so many things. Too much more. So now, first destination is food court. Dito tayo sa gitna. Yes. Doon, maganda ko yun. Doon banda sa gilid. So guys, this is the food court. Yan. Napakaganda ng food court. Here. Ayun mo. Kaya mo? Check if you can. Check if you can climb. Show me how to climb.
This is too much problem. Until here, it can even reach here, oh.
Sino magtutulak ko?
Can you help me, kuya? Ang hirap naman mabot kahit dito. Gago ito tinatawa nyo.
Tingnan nyo yung height, no?
May matino naman kasi kukuhan. Dito talaga yung gusto. Oh, kukuha na kami ng food.
Kaya mahirapan eh. Guys, Yan yung, magkano? 9 dirhams, 7
Ang sarap
dirhams.
ng chicken.
Kaya lang, ang problema dito guys, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 9. So medyo mahal na rin. So yan yung mga food nila.
Parang masarap ito, 12 lang oh.
Bilis po dito.
Salmon.
How, salmon or salmon?
It's salmon.
Not salmon? For Bisaya, we are reading it salmon.
Samun.
So guys, salmon or salmon? Kaya di natin maano zoom their food.
My friend for the small
I
one.
thought it's free.
Teka lang, itatagtag ko yung baso para.
Full, make it full, make it full.
Ben,
Inuman mo ng konti.
yung malaki kami ni isa.
Yan.
Okay na yun para sa atin lahat.
Yan, for 3 na yan eh. Nagtitipid, walang tira eh.
Oh, punoy natin.
Pantay ume.
Go, go, go.
Damihan ko pa.
Yan, masarap nyo. Nabibilang ko niyang siwen.
Uy, Paul.
This is the food. Sarap na no?
Mayaman.
45 dirhams. 45 dirhams, my friend. Inshallah next time.
Oo. Lumuna tayo 12.
Mashed potato ba o rice?
Rice na lang, rice.
One mashed potato and two rice.
Rice, look at that.
Which one?
The one with rice doesn't come with vegetable. Huh?
Ah, yeah, that's okay.
No, kung wala yung vegetable, i-mash potato lang.
Two rice and one mashed potato.
Yan guys, ito yung, this is their food.
Would you like to add some chicken nuggets and some?
Ito yung mga fries yan. Ha?
Ang dami ng
Maraming
kanin.
kanin, kuting ulam.
Oo. I want...
Sabihan mo, damihan mo ng, ng ulam.
Would you like to add some lasagna?
No. Rice.
Hi.
So guys, ito yung mga food nila. Yan. This is their food.
Rice sa akin.
Rice or mashed potato?
Rice, white rice. Mashed potato, kalaban. Too much gas.
White rice and additional veggies. Is that okay?
This is for us.
Would you like to add some salmon? Hey.
Okay, sabi mo rice sa akin.
So guys, this is jumbo. Jumbo juice. Napakalaki niya.
One more with rice.
And rice also. And additional veg.
Veg.
Vegetable?
No, there.
This madam.
Ay, ano pala sa'yo?
Asa yun ba? Tama na.
Ito,
Okay
di
na
ba?
yun, kunin mo na. Ayaw yata niya pagyan ng gulay.
Pag rice daw, walang gulay.
Ah, ganun.
May bulbul.
Bayan sila.
Okay na?
Ito na. So yan guys, ito may mga salad din sila dito. Yan. Ito yung mga price. Yan. Ito yung mga price ng food nila.
Ay, bibili ako ng ano. Ring road.
Oh my boy! Happy? Ah, it's too hot. Too hot, yes, too hot.
Ito na lang. Kakagigil. Tinulak ako ni Ganda.
Let's go. So yan guys, tingnan natin magkano lahat yung breakfast natin for today, lunch natin for today. Yan, ito yung mga food na binili natin. At ito, let's see how much.
Guys, here in IKEA, we have to save for the food. Because later, our bank account.
I know, we will use this one for...
We are broke, habibi.
After IKEA, here's a rule. We have to make no buying for the next 48 hours.
Challenge.
Challenge.
You have a tita, your tita is rich. There. This is your rich tita.
Please,
What do you want?
man.
Rich tita, this one.
What do you want?
Sabi niya, after daw bili nito, may rules na after 48 hours
Ano
no
yun?
buying because we are broke after this. So we are broke after this.
Ayos.
So magkano din?
Thank you.
Okay?
Pila tanan?
69.
Baby boy, kuha na ng kutsara.
69?
Ate, si Tita
So yan
Oksa.
lang guys, lahat nun ay 69 dirhams. Yan. Yan, 69.
Alam mo, gusto ko mashed potato.
So yan guys, medyo marami yung tao ngayon dito. And yeah, itong IKEA kasi, ano siya eh, di lang siya noon sa appliances talaga, noon din siya sa yung mga English food, English breakfast. So napakasarap ng mga pagkain nila dito. And hindi ganoon kamahalan, medyo ano siya eh, hindi mahal, hindi din naman mura. So yeah, just to experience. So guys, this is it. Look at that. Napakalaki nung juice. This is for 3.
Nagpakita mo yung straw, 3.
Ay,
And
The juice is free.
this is for
Price
Ishan.
for the house.
This is for Ishan. And this is for Madam. Look at that. And this is for me.
ipicture mo.
Oh, yours is the mashed potato, right?
And this is for free. Ishan, I guess. And of course, water. And sauce. And straw. And tissue. So this is what we have. About your food is 49 dirhams, guys.
53, but I have IKEA family for the less.
So medyo hindi tayo
Matakain tayo.
gutom ngayon. So guys, for 69 dirhams, 3 person, may extra rice ka pa at extra bowls. Ano tong tawag ng bowls na yan? Meatballs.
Tikman ko nga.
So may extra meatballs ka pa. It's 69 dirhams lang. So
Harap.
napakasarap.
You know, the meatball is very, it's very, very juicy.
Tasty and juicy. Sarap.
Ay, ito yung spring roll. Take. Mainit.
Anong nasa isip mo? Init.
Mainit.
Yun ang sakit dun eh. That's the problem. Instead of taste, it's hot. So about my madam. Ito anong tawag nito?
Dynamite.
Dynamite.
Shrimp, dynamite.
I bet you're allergic.
How is
Sarap.
it? Sarap. Good.
Ito yung binabalik-balikan namin, mura lang.
My boy.
Sila na pamura, ako na pamura. Ito, tignan niyo to.
Show me.
I bet it's allergic.
This is the dynamite.
This is shrimp.
I cannot eat shrimp.
Very
Very good.
Sobra.
So this is like combination of seafoods, combination of English food,
Veg also.
combination of vegetables.
I think this is
Sarap nga.
Asian, and there is English. This is English.
Yeah, this is Swedish, English. Asian, this is, what you said?
This is dynamite.
Asian, and this is Asian.
This is Asian and this is Asian. Mashed potato. Yan.
So,
Ganito.
English ka pala ngayon.
Di ko, so guys, I'm English now because I'm eating mashed potato, but I don't know how to eat this thing because I don't know.
You use fork and you use knife. That's good.
No problem. It's okay.
Combination.
So this is combination of mashed potatoes and meatball. So let's see.
Lagyan mo ng ano.
Sarap niya.
sauce.
At ito free from the sponsor. Ano to? Baka shrimp?
Hindi, vegetable yan.
Vegetable guys, yan. Masarap. Super crunchy. Yeah. Napakasarap niya. And one more. Again. And sabi ni Madam, let's put some sauce on it. Look at that. And what else? Put some vegetable on it.
Mekos na yan.
This is mikos guys. Look. Combination of mashed potatoes, meatball, vegetable and sauce. It's something different. Alam mo, yung hindi natin na titest araw-araw. Of course, we used to eat Filipino food and this is something different. So it's palang pumuputok siya sa loob. Yung mashed potatoes parang ano siya, juicy and little bit slimy, I believe. So napakasarap niya and yeah. Yung 69 dirhams, I believe it's worth it to come into this place. Napakasarap niya and once again. So yan guys, ito yung minting ng IKEA yan.
Ito yung
Itong mga
kapatitian. Ano to?
appliances, itong mga kitchenware. Yan. Nakikita itong mga... So nakikita mo itong mga to eh. Bibili kayo ng buong kitchen?
Hindi ko kasama.
Bibilhin niyo itong buong kitchen.
May gusto si Wena kasi dito yung platuhan may na may diretso ng parang...
Look at that guys. Ito yung...
Hindi na ba?
Ito yung IKEA talaga yan. Makikita mo lahat ng mga
Dapat ganito yung...
kitchenware, table, kung anong bibili.
Pero
Ano ba daw?
ganito,
May
oh.
napili ka na?
Ay, ref pala to.
Refrigerator yan eh. So yan. Bibilhin mo?
Ah, nakadikit na siya. Cabinet siya nakadikit.
Sige na, bilhin mo na. Para wala nang
Wala
maraming
ka kung ano ngayon. Close yung bangko ngayon.
Sige guys, look Ishan. Ishan, wake up. come, let's go. Someone is there. Uy, come. Itong bata na. Uy! This is IKEA, man. Look, Ishan, eh. Tutulog. Ishan, come. Someone is there, want to see.
This
Ah.
one, oh, 35.
35 dirhams.
Pag manate kaunan.
But it's not foldable.
Is that foldable? Pwede man sa
Video daw ko.
gilid.
Not affordable.
So guys, this is 35. So for kitchen. So wala na tayong space sa bahay, so medyo after na next time. This is what you get in IKEA. Look at that. Lot of appliances. Kung may pera lang sana tayo. Look. Napakadaming mga appliances dito, guys. Look at that.
Ito naman
Tugos.
ang nagayon mo.
Gusto ko 'to eh. Siya lang pag magpagawa akong bahay, dito ko bibili ng mga ganyan eh. So guys, napakaraming mga magagandang bilihin talaga dito sa IKEA. But the problem is
No bank account.
no bank
Bye-bye.
account. The bank account is 0.00 ngayon. How much in your bank account mo? Current?
In fact, we're 100. In the negative, we have 100 on debt.
Ganito yung upuan ko, ang mahal pala nun.
Yeah, rocking chair. This is rocking chair.
Ganyan yung upuan ko sa bahay, di ba? Hindi lang nila sa akin
So
binili
guys,
yung
this is rocking chairs. Look that, look. Rocking.
Ang mahal pala niyan.
See? Oh, you can rock. Rock baby rock.
Hey,
Napakaganda sa pakiramdam mo.
this is mine.
Ganyan yung sa bahay ko.
Ang daming bilihin dito. Ang daming bilihin dito guys sa loob ng IKEA. But the problem is we don't have money to buy. See, look at that. All the sofa. Look. So yan guys, tingnan itong mga to. Tingnan mo itong mga to. Pag sa Pilipinas itong mga to, maraming bulaklak doon, ayaw bumili. Dito sa Dubai walang bulaklak. Gusto na
Itabi
bumili.
ko dun sa nilagyan ng lampshade. Ito yung katabi.
Okay.
Kuya,
Titingnan mo
parang
siya.
mas maganda to, no?
Sumi. Ito. So guys, 25 dirhams, nasa 300 pesos. Magkano ang bulaklak sa Pinas?
Ito, ninanakaw lang natin to sa kapitbahay.
Oh, sa Pilipinas,
Kwento-kwentuhan mo lang
hindi
yan.
ka gusto ng bulaklak. Dito sa Dubai, gusto mo bulaklak. Ano nangyari?
Kasi ano,
Ano ito, adik dito sa bulaklak eh. Adik sa flower eh. So yan guys, dito binibinta yung mga flowers. Diyan sa Pilipinas, pinamamigay lang
ay may
siguro.
patay na
So,
to.
yan guys, tingnan nyo yung, so yan guys, tingnan nyo yung warehouse ng IKEA. Look at that. Yan, napakalawak niya talagang super laki. And lahat ng hanapin mo, appliances, any materials about home, appliances and everything, dito makikita. So yan, may hinahanap kami ditong light, yung ilaw. 12 to? So yan guys, tingnan mo yung nabili ng mga to. Yan, bulaklak. So, ibibinta din yata nila yan. Si Madam, magbibinta din ng bulaklak yata
Oo,
eh.
papadamihin ko yan.
Guys, inshallah in the future, Oma will buy so many plants that you can consider our house a garden. Forest, maybe.
No problem.
So, yan guys, ito yung adventure natin dito sa IKEA. So, yan, isa sa pinakamagandang lugar na pwede kang gumastos. So, yan, hanggang dito na lang. See you. Bye-bye.